In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select Booking.com in Ownerrez. We'll walk through the process of creating a booking manually and making sure Booking.com is chosen as the booking source. This is a simple task, but it's important to enter each detail carefully so the booking is set up correctly from the start. First, go to Ownerrez and open the bookings area. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. This is where you'll find the navigation and the actions you need to begin creating a new booking. From there, click on Create Booking. This will open the booking form where you can enter all the required reservation details. If you're managing multiple properties, this is where accuracy matters because the information you enter here determines how the booking will be recorded in your system. Next, select the property for the reservation. Make sure you choose the correct property before moving on. This helps avoid confusion later, especially if you manage more than one listing. After that, add the arrival date. This is the guest check-in date, so be sure it reflects the correct start of the stay. Then enter the departure date, which is the guest checkout date. Double-check both dates as you enter them, since even a small mistake here can affect availability and reporting. Once the dates are in place, move to the source field. This is the section where you identify where the booking came from. Open the source options, look for Booking.com, and select it. This is the key part of the process because assigning the correct source ensures the booking is categorized properly inside Ownerrez. Next, add the guest number. Enter the total number of guests for the stay. This should match the reservation details you're working from, and it can be helpful for occupancy tracking and property planning. When everything looks correct, click Create Booking to finish. At this point, the reservation will be created in Ownerrez with Booking.com selected as the source. Before submitting, it's always a good idea to quickly review the property, arrival date, departure date, source, and guest count one more time. A short final check can save time and prevent corrections later. And that's it. That's how to select Booking.com in Ownerrez while creating a booking manually. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and straightforward.